How to reduce mobile data usage on Android. This tutorial shows you how to cut down on background data consumption and keep your usage under control while you're not actively using them. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Connections. After that, tap Data Usage. At this point, tap Data Saver from the options on that page. From here, toggle on Use Data Saver to enable it straight away. Following this, once Data Saver is on, it restricts background apps from using mobile data and limits how much data apps can use while you're not actively using it. After that, if there are specific apps you want to allow unrestricted data access even while Data Saver is on, tap Allowed to use data while Data Saver is on, and toggle on whichever apps you want to exclude from the restriction. From here, go back to the main data usage page and tap Mobile Data Usage to see a breakdown of which apps are consuming the most data. At this point, tap on any app in that list and toggle off Allow Background Data Usage to stop it from using mobile data when you're not actively using it. Following this, go back to the Connections page and tap Data Usage again, then tap Billing Cycle and Data Warning to set a data limit so your device automatically cuts off mobile data